Okay, for my records, new configuration now. The output from the battery goes via a variable resistor, so I can adjust the current supplied to the 555, and the signal then goes to a signal rail which runs basically a CW voltage multiplier, and it has a through path through a capacitor to a common rail which goes underneath to the exact halfway between positive and negative on the battery. So I've got two capacitors across, and tapping the center is my sort of return path. And unfortunately I used super glue, and it's actually it seems to have damaged the variable, so it's very, very scratchy now. But I've found a position. As you can see, the little light on the oscillator is running, and the voltage across the battery is now very slowly climbing. So I'm reading the battery terminal output. So it's putting, and of course the CW voltage multiplier is under load because its output, its DC, is going to the internal, where I've got the battery cells set up as if a CW voltage multiplier. So that voltage is being basically applied directly across each cell. So that's loading it down, so it's not really getting much voltage up. But I'm hoping to find that just happy balance that where it can just plateau. Even if I'm only getting a tiny signal and it plateaus and doesn't go flat, brilliant. Instead of the LED though, this variable resistance in place, if I find the perfect resistance, then I can make sure I use an LED or something that has the equivalent ESR. So this is the story so far. So she's sitting at 3.587, well, and rising DC volts, 7.3.